Hello, kiddos. Good morning. We need to figure out what day of the week it is. So we are going to look at our calendar. Here's our star, so we know that this is today. Up here, if we take our day of the week elevator up to the top, we have to read the day. It is not Sunday, and it is not Monday, not Tuesday, and it's not Wednesday. It's not Thursday. That was yesterday. Today, the day of the week starts with the letter F, and F says F. So today is Friday, which means it's time for a special challenge. But first, in May, what Friday? How many Fridays have there been in May? Let's count them. Here's one Friday. Here's 2 Fridays. And today makes 3 Fridays. So this is our 3rd Friday in May. And I think it's a perfect day to have a delicious, scrumdiddlyumptious Friday challenge. So with that said, let me set up here. I'm going to use the back of our alphabet to show you how I did this challenge. So let me put this up here quick. All right, kiddos. So I told you it's going to be a yummy challenge. Think. It's going to be all about eating. One of my favorite things to do. Something that I've really been practicing hard on during this quarantine, and I think I've gotten really good at it. So think. What is this is going to be the hardest part, one favorite food, your favorite thing to eat in the whole world? I know there are probably lots of different things that you really love to eat, but what is the most, your favorite thing to eat? I'm going to show you mine. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Mrs. White's absolute favorite thing to eat is nachos. They are fabulous and I love to eat them. Okay, kiddos, so after you thought of your very favorite food, your favorite thing to eat, I want you to draw a picture or find a picture of it in a magazine or a catalog or a paper that you have, cut it out and glue it on, or you can print one off on the computer. Any way you want to, but you need a picture of your favorite food. And then comes the tricky part. We're not done after we have the picture on there. We have to do a little bit of writing. So let me put this up here. When we were in school, we always worked on, we talked about the very first thing on your paper. The teacher has to know whose paper it is. So we sang, the first thing on your paper is your name. The first thing on your paper is your name. Your teacher needs to know who did the work, and so the first thing on your paper is your name. So we are going to, and we always wrote our name at the top of our paper. So on the top of my paper, I am going to write my name because this is my paper. I am going to write Mrs. White. And my name starts with a capital or an uppercase letter, M. And then all the other ones are lowercase. And then I'm going to write my last name, White, so that starts with a capital letter, and it's my favorite letter. What's that letter that says like white? W. So we go down, up, W, H, I, T, E. Mrs. White. And I have a picture of my nachos. One more job. We are going to write, are you ready for this? A sentence, one sentence at the bottom. everybody will write the same words except the last one, which will be our favorite food. So we're going to start our sentence with a capital letter, and we're going to all start it together. Everybody's going to write the word I. So I, and then the second word we're going to write is like. L-I-K-E. So I like, and then we write the name of our favorite food. My favorite food is nachos, so that's the word I'm going to write. Nachos, N-A-C-H-O-S. But my sentence is not complete, because at the end of every sentence, you have to have a punctuation mark. So at the end of our sentence for today, we are going to write a period, and a period looks like a little dot. So I need to make my punctuation mark, and my sentence is complete. It starts with a capital letter, and it ends with a punctuation mark, a period. I like nachos, period. So 3 jobs today in your Friday challenge. Write your name at the top. Draw a picture of your favorite food, just one, and then write a sentence. I like nachos, or the name of your favorite food. And don't forget that punctuation mark at the end. All right, kiddos, I cannot wait to see what you have been eating for the last 70-some days and your favorite foods. Have a great time. Bye.